Good night, Diana.
Good night, Daddy. I want to eat. Oh.
Diana?
Sorry, Daddy. Oh.
No.
Okay. Meow, meow, meow.
Kitty? Diana?
Daddy, I want to eat. Me too.
It's the play stone. The land of play needs you. Winston can't remember where he buried his favorite bone on the silly seashore, and Pirate Boris is coming to dig the bone up first.
Let's go.
Play big, be the one you wanna be.
Time to dress up. Ooh, royal archaeologists.
Power play, take us away.
Holy moly! Winston still hasn't found his bone. Boris is coming. We have to find that bone fast. An archaeologist toolkit that will have everything we need to excavate Winston's bone.
Huh?
Excavate. That's how an archaeologist says dig. Oh no! Boris is almost here. Get to digging, Diana. Good job, Roma.
Yeah.
Let's keep our silly shores clean. That's not Winston's bone. Those are T-Rex bones. Fossils are awesome, but Boris the boar is not. That takes care of Boris, but we still haven't found Winston's bone. Winston, are those your footprints? The best archaeologists use clues before choosing a spot to excavate. The Princess of Play saved the day.
We did it!
Play big, anything's possible. Play big, be the one you wanna be. Be the one you wanna play big.
Catch you soon!